Ever been in a room when one yawn sets off a chain reaction? This phenomenon is called contagious yawning. Scientists think it's all down to something called mirror neurons in our brain. These neurons mimic what they see. So when you witness a yawn, your brain tells you to yawn too. It's like a game of Simon Says that you didn't even realize you were playing. And guess what? It's not just us humans who have caught the yawn bug. Chimps, and even our canine friends, are susceptible to this yawn contagion. But why does this happen? Theories suggest it's a social bonding mechanism, a silent way of saying, I feel you. So the next time you're caught in a yawn attack, remember, it's just your brain's way of showing empathy and connection. Fascinating, isn't it?